There's people out there. Did you worry that someone is going to get, because this falls into religious realms.
Well, there's philosophical and religious, and so like back on speciation, polar bears and brown bears are two different species,
right?
But they mate and produce viable offspring all the time. And a bear expert will tell you that a polar bear is just a aquatic adapted, cold adapted bear. Right? And so I always ask people that
their offspring they can have children,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
Yes. It's not like a donkey.
Yeah, exactly. So there's different ways to characterize it.
Making a mule.
Yeah, but there's different ways to say is something, right? And so, we are not the same, right? If I don't know what percent, you probably from 23andMe or something have some percentage Neanderthal. You don't say that you're an admixture or a hybrid. You just say you're a human. You don't really.
Right, but that's a good point though, because Neanderthal, if you want to talk about a different species, just because they could breed with us, God, they're so different.
But that's it. But like I said, there's 6 different ways. There's actually a species definition that's based solely on geographics, and there's a funny paper out there around one species of toad that they built a road through, and the same toads live on 2 sides of the street, and they're different species. And they're the same fucking toad.
Just because there's a road.
Just because we as humans changed. It's called geographic isolation of speciation. So it's just crazy. And so the only arguments that we now have is, but is it a mammoth? And it's like, well, then don't call it a mammoth. I was like, I asked people, I was like, did you see Jurassic Park? And they're like, yeah. I was like, what was Jurassic Park? To your question, what do you think? What was Jurassic Park about to you?
To me?
Yeah. If you're going to take your kids to see Jurassic Park, what is the movie about?
Dinosaurs.
Is it? Because they took ancient DNA and they mixed it with a bunch of other stuff. Right. Are they dinosaurs, or are they genetically modified animals, GMOs, genetically modified organisms that have inserted genes from lots of different things? Or are they dinosaurs?